Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Blimit Technologies. My name is Isha Devan. So today we are discussing about how to install WordPress in your local system. Before we start this video, if you are new here, so please subscribe our channel for such content like this. So without wasting my time, let me start it. So before install your WordPress, so you need to require two software, that is Man, XAMPP or BAMPP. So I already installed the MAMP server in my local system. So let me start my MAMP server. So MAMP server, let me start. So it's starting here. So it's started. So after that, the first step you need to do, you need to go to the WordPress organization website. Now just click on that drop down, get WordPress, and now you need to do download the WordPress from here. So it's downloading. After downloading, you need to do one thing. You need to go to the download folder, unzip that particular folder. So it's unzipped. Then copy it and paste it into your map htdocs folder. So I just pasted it here. So it pasted. So after that, you need to do one thing. You need to do open your localhost port and open your phpMyAdmin. So I open my phpMyAdmin and create a new database here. So I just created BleavingTech DB. So I just my database name is BleavingTech DB. I just created a new one. So after that, you need to do one thing. You need to just enter your port localhost, then name the folder name. Folder name is this one, which have you copied in your htdoc folder. So and enter it. Now you need to click on the continue button. So I choose the English. So click it. Now click on the let's go button. And here you need to add the database name which have you created in your through phpMyAdmin. My database name is BleavingTech DB. So username is your MySQL username and password is your MySQL password. So MySQL password is root, username is root and password is root. So database host name is my localhost. I have added, it's already there, it's localhost and table prefix WP. So if you want to change that particular table prefix, so you will change it. Otherwise, just leave it as a default one. So I just leave it as a default one. After that, I just do a submit, and there is a now click on the run the installation. So after the installation done, so they have some information needed. So site title, so I've added the Believing Technologies. So WordPress WP admin username you need to add, I've added admin and password will be a admin at the rate 1235 exclamation mark. So after that you need to do one thing, you need to add an email ID here. I've added the email ID and the last one is check. The last option is discourage search engine for the indexing the site. So if you checked it, so your website is not indexing in the Google. If you not checked it, then your website is indexing in the Google. So I just checked it because I set up in my local system. So I just checked and install the WordPress. So its installation has been done. So I need to go and log in it. Admin 12345 and this log in it. So setup has been done. When you go to the home page, so it's look like this. So now the current theme is the default theme which is activated right now. If you want to install the another theme, just download or create your own theme also. So these are the few steps you need to do to install the WordPress in your local system. So please like this video, subscribe our channel and click on the notification bell for latest update for our channel videos. Thank you.